Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So right away, I'm going to give you the word of the day. Tomorrow is your day. Okay? Just think about that all day tomorrow. Tomorrow is your day, and you make it a good day. Okay? That's the word of the day. Okay, I want to show you how to make some buttermilk cornbread out of Jiffy corn muffin mix. An easy one, right? Buttermilk cornbread. Let's do it. Okay? Great. Okay. I have real buttermilk right here. Okay? And I have 2 boxes of Jiffy corn muffin mix. So let's just crack it open, get it in the bowl. That's one. Okay, this is 2. So now we're going to add some milk. You're going to add baby steps, a little at a time, okay? So that's about a cup so far. I need to put 2 eggs in here. I'm going to crack the eggs separately so that if a shell or something goes in there, I can get it out. Okay, and we're going to mix that up. Beating the egg with 2 eggs. Okay, now we're going to add some olive oil, okay? That was about 1/4 of a cup. Okay, now I'm going to mix this. And let me show you. It's kind of thick. See that? That's too thick. Because that buttermilk will thicken even more when it cooks. So we're going to put some more in and thin that down. So that's about 3/4 of a cup of buttermilk so far. Yeah, that's better. See? Look how it runs. See that? Okay. Now we want to add some more olive oil. 1, 2, 3. Okay? There we go. That's it. Okay, this is the pan that I'm going to be using. I'm going to put the olive oil in the pan. And then I'm going to get a paper towel and I'm going to spread this around on the bottom and the sides. You see what I'm doing, right? Okay. Now we're gonna put this in the pan. Bake it on 400 degrees. Trying to get this in. Okay. Okay, so let's pour it in. And what was that, 5 minutes? So what if you don't have any buttermilk in your house? Well, you can add like lemon juice or apple cider vinegar to milk and you made buttermilk, okay? Little tip from Grandma Ray. Okay, so we're going to bake this in the oven until the edges get golden brown, not burnt, but golden brown around the edges, and we're going to take it out, okay? I'm guessing around maybe 20-25 minutes. Okay, we'll be back. Okay guys, our buttermilk cornbread is out. Take a look at that, huh? How about that? Okay, and let me get a thumbnail.